is my comfrey plant. This comfrey plant I cut right back to the ground about 6 weeks ago, and now look at it. It's amazing. You can put this down the bottom of your beds, of your garden beds, if you're doing raised beds. Put them on the bottom and just put the rest of the soil on top. It'll enrich the soil. But this, I can keep on cutting that back every 6 weeks or so. It'll come back again, as hardy as anything in this soil anyhow, which is rich soil. And that's what I'll be straining later on. So this is our comfrey, a big tub of comfrey fertiliser. We're going to take the lid off that and we're going to strain it into that one there and strain all the leaves out. That's going to be really smelly. We've never done this before, so we're about to do it now. Okay. Oh, it's quite light. I thought it was going to be really dark. Can't smell it yet.
More.
Oh, poor. Yeah, okay. So it's starting to get smelly. Wow, where are the leaves gone? I thought they were all shoved in there really deep, really like lots and lots, and you couldn't see hardly water. So wow. So that is going to be good fertiliser, free fertiliser for the garden. Okay, shove it in there.
We can splash. Here we go.
Okay, ready, set, go. Slowly, slowly. Okay, stop. So I see it's getting, it's pretty full. Ooh, look at all the... Okay, that's stinky, isn't it?
Oh, it's heavy because it's got rocks in it.
It's got a rock in it. That's why I had to weigh it down with the rock. Okay, so that's quite a lot there. That's going to be 10 parts water to 1 part that, so it's going to last a long time. I'm going to use a special thing for that. Oh, that is really stinky. So this is where the bush turkeys have been busy raking up all the undergrowth and making a mound there. So the little bush turkeys came out and they come out of their eggs and they ran away, and the bush turkey's now done his job and he's nicked off. So this now is just where I'm just putting bits and pieces. So Lindsay's going to put the rest of that comfrey stuff on the top of the pile over that side, I think somewhere where I'm not using it. So this is now, we've got 2 of these piles, one at the back and one up the front here. Okay, tip it on there, just swoosh it around a bit, and that's going to put some good nutrients into our compost pile. Awesome. So to make my comfrey fertiliser, I got my comfrey leaves, I just chopped them all off at the ground and I just shoved them in here as much as possible. It's quite a big one, comes up to my knees. And I just threw them all in there, then I put water in until the water just covers the leaves. Then after that, I put a rock on the top to keep the leaves under the water so it doesn't go mouldy. And then I put the lid on, comfrey fertiliser, and I just put it in the garden. I put it in the garden and let it sit there for about 6 weeks, and then I strain it and maybe strain it again and use it 1 part fertiliser to 10 parts water in the garden. Free fertiliser.